Okay, children. Now coming to numeration. Numeration you have also done in standard 5. Okay, what is numeration? It is the method of expressing a number in words. Now we have the number, but then how do we express it in words? Like here we say this as 465. So that is numeration. Basically we are going to learn about two common methods of numeration. First is Indian system or Hindu-Arabic system, and the second is international system of numeration. Okay children, see here, I have made Indian place value chart. You remember I had already shared a video with you in which I explain you how to get your copies ready for the chapter. Okay, this chapter number chapter 1 you have to do in your exercise book 1. Get your copies ready, write the date and the day, draw the rough column and draw the chart, Indian place value chart, the same way I have done it. Now let's see what is Indian place value chart. If you see this chart, I have made this 1,000, lakhs and crores. What are these called? It is called periods. Okay, so there are 4 periods basically here: ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. And in ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundred. In thousands period there are 2 places: thousand, 10,000. In lakhs period there are again 2 places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. And in crores 2 places: crores and 10 crores. Okay, now to explain you how we are going to write this in words, I have taken the example first one: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now children, always keep this in mind that whenever you have to start writing the number names of any number, the very first step you have to do is you have to give commas. Okay, so how are you going to give commas? You have to put the commas according to the periods. Like you see, this is the first period: ones, tens, hundred. So then comma. This is the second one: thousand, 10,000, comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh, comma. And then crore and 10 crore. So this is the very first step of giving commas. Okay, now let's see how we are going to go about the words. You can see this is in the which period? Crores. So this is 12 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. Okay, now coming to the second one: 34810. Again, what is the very first step, children? Always remember the very first step should be giving comma. Okay, so here where am I going to give comma? After the first period. What is the first period? Ones. That is ones, tens, hundred, and then comma. How are we going to write the number name? This is the thousands period, so 34,810. I hope this is clear to you students. Please write in the same way. Use pencil for making the chart and write these examples as well. Okay children, we have already done Indian system of numeration. Now here we are going to do international system of numeration. As you can see, this is a very big chart. Okay, so when you draw this in the copy, don't draw the rough column, otherwise it won't fit in the page. Okay, so no need to draw a rough column for this particular page. Now when you draw this chart, keep in mind that use pencil to draw it so that it looks neat and clean. Okay, let's see now. In this international place value chart, there are 4 periods: ones, thousand, millions and billions. Okay, and in each period there are 3 places. In ones it is ones, tens, hundred. In thousand it is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. In millions it is millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. And in billions it is billions, 10 billion, 100 billion and so on. So you just draw till 10 million. Now let's take the example here. I have taken the example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 and 4. How we are going to write this according to international place value? See, I have already told you that before writing the number name, the very first step is to put commas. And how do you put commas? You put commas according to the periods. Okay, you can see that in each period there are 3 places here. So the first period is ones period, and it is 3 places, ones, tens, hundred, and then comma. Then next period is a thousand period, and again there are 3 places there, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. So 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, then comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million, comma, then billion and 10 billion. Now, how we are going to read this? How we are going to read this in words? See, 12 billion 300. See, this is the hundreds place. Therefore, 345 million 678,924. Don't get confused at this places, children, because there are 3 places here. Okay, so how will you read this? This will be 345 million. This will be 678,000. Okay, let's see the next example. 482,867. Here again, the very first step, just keep this in mind all the time, that the very first step would be putting comma. So again, ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. How we are going to name it? 482,867. Now children, make this chart properly after the Indian place value chart. No need to draw any rough column because this is a very big chart. Okay, now keep in mind that when you are making the charts, be it Indian or international, always use pencil, and also write the example as well. Now children, you can get few questions like how many numbers are there between given two numbers. Here I am taking the example 6 and 18. Now if the question is how many numbers are there between 6 and 18, you can't sit and count on your fingers, right? Maybe the question will be how many numbers are there in between 400 and 800. So you can't sit and count, right? So there are formulas given for that. What you have to do, take the biggest number and the smallest number. Subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. What is the biggest number here? 18. Okay, and the smallest is 6. So 18 minus 6, you will get 12. Okay, and from this 12, you subtract 1. Okay, so that is, there are 11 numbers between 6 and 18. What are they? 7, 8, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Your children, you have to keep this in mind that when the question is how many numbers are there between given two numbers, when it is using the word between, then you don't have to count 6 and 18 here. We are getting the answer 11 here. That means I have excluded 6 and 18 and then I have got 11 numbers. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now if the question is saying how many numbers are there from 6 to 18, when it is saying from 6 to 18, then in this case you have to count 6 and 18 also. Okay, once again children, if it is saying how many numbers are there between given two numbers, when it is saying between, don't count the two numbers, except that all the numbers in between. And if it is saying how many numbers are there from a given two numbers, like from 6 to 18, so in this case you have to count 6 and 18 also. Now children, you can also get questions like how many 4 digits number are there in all. So what are you going to do now? Again, there is a formula for that. Now when it is asking how many 4 digit numbers are there in all, so you first take the largest 4 digit number, it is 9,999, and the smallest 4 digit number, it is 1000. Okay, and subtract them. After subtracting, you get 8,999, and to this you add 1. Your answer would be 9,000. That means there are 9,000 4-digit numbers in all. Let's take one more example. If I say how many 2 digits number are there in all, I'm talking about 2 digits, right? That means I'm going to take the largest 2-digit number first. What is the largest 2-digit number? 99. And what is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10. Okay, now subtract this. What will you get? When you subtract this, 9 and 8. And to this, what will you add? You will add 1. What will you get? 90. So that means there are 92 digit numbers in all. Okay, children, now you may get questions like how many crore are there in a million, how many millions are there in a lakh. So don't get confused how to do it. See, first you just write this. I have written ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. I have written this in Indian place value chart. Then this is international place value. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now, if you can see that between each places there are multiples of 10. Okay, here it is 10, 10, 10, 10, and so on. Now let's come to the question. In 1 crore, how many millions are there? First you see, where is your crore? Your crore is here. Okay, and where is your million? Here is your million. In million and crore, in between how many tens you have? Only one. Okay, so 1 crore has 10 million. Okay, you have to just see how many tens are there in between the given two places that is asked. Like for example, in 1 million, how many lakhs are there? Where is your 1 million? See, million is your, where is your lakh? Your lakh is your. In between million and lakh, there is only one 10. So again, in 1 million, 10 lakh is there. Coming to again, see this one. In 1 million, how many thousands are there? Where is your million? Your million is here. Okay, and where is your thousand? Your thousand is here. You can take this thousand. Okay, now let's see. So in 1 million, how many thousands are here? So in between million and thousands, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. That means 10 into 10 into 10. It makes thousands are there. Now let's take in 1 lakh. How many thousands are there? Now again see, where is your lakh? Your lakh is here. Where is your thousand? Your thousand is here. And in between lakh and thousand, how many tens are here? 1 and 2. So 10 into 10, what do you get? 100. So in 1 lakh, 100,000 are here. Now in 1 crore, how many lakhs are there? See, where is your crore? Here is your crore. Where is your lakh? Here is your lakh. So in between crore and lakhs, how many tens are there? 1, 2. Again 10 into 10, 100. In the same way you can see again, let's take for another example. For your convenience, I'll ask a question. How many hundreds are there in a lakh? So here is your lakh. Here is your 100. In between lakh and 100, how many tens are there? 1, 2, and 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. So in 1 lakh, there are 1000 hundreds.